Hello guys, my name is Rubijetski. Welcome to another CS2 video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the new frontier of digital investments, and you probably know what CS2 is and the skins in this game, the people that are investing in these skins, the market over the past many years. The market grew, the market saturated, the demand was there. People are still holding the skins. A lot of people just invest the money into skins since you can sell them, especially some liquid skins, you know. Back in the day, skins were always just cosmetic items, but nowadays it's actually incredible, but they are valuable digital assets. You can compare it with gold, you can compare it with Bitcoin, you can compare it with cash. It does not matter, it's the same thing nowadays after all. That's why the market keeps growing, the game keeps growing, and it will keep growing. And most of the people that are investing will see bigger potential, more upside for the items. It just depends, are you going to sell it or are you going to keep it? We all know that exclusive skins exist. Based upon the rarity, the price is set, but do not get it twisted. There are certain items that are not that rare, but the price is higher, and that's because the demand is very high. That's why the prices are high. Always remember, guys, it does not matter in what market on this planet. If there is no demand, there cannot be a price. That's why always invest in liquid skins. For example, the AK-47 Redline, or maybe some other liquid skins. There are really a lot of liquid skins out there. Most people that are making money in this game with their digital assets are not selling it on the Steam market, how Valve actually wants it. They are selling it on third-party websites such as Skinport, CS Float, and much more back in the day buff. So that's also a very big part of this whole community. Some people are flipping skins in CS2. They're buying it low, selling it high, then buying it low again, selling it higher. You know what I mean, guys? They buy the skins right away and sell it right away. And all these things you can do on third-party websites also, not only on the Steam market. There are so many different investment strategies. One is also, for example, in the armory. You grind all these stars, you do not spend them. Then when the new armory rolls around and the items get replaced in this same armory, you are able to buy the new case, for example, with all your stars. For example, you have 1,000 stars, you buy 500 cases, right? And then you have a 7-day trade ban. You sell these cases after 7 days, for example, for $3 a piece. You make $1,000 profit. You invested 500, for example, and it's easy money. Most people, they start to play CS, have no idea about investing, start buying skins, then they drop in price and they're disappointed. That's not how CS2 investing works. If you want to profit the most, you should listen right now, because there's always a time where you can buy and the time where you should not buy. You need to always be sure what time it is. If you are not sure, do not invest, guys. If you're not sure, just do not invest. That's the best case. Just study the market. You will be better at it. Maybe watch my videos. But one thing is certain, and you need to know what season it is right now. Buying season or selling season. Also, if you're investing in CS2 items, for example, you spend $500, right? 5 days from now on, you see the price drops $10. Maybe you think, okay, it's not a problem. 2 weeks go by, price drops by $100, and you cannot handle it that the price goes down. You should not invest also, guys. You should always think like that you want it to keep for a long term, for example. So if in the short run the price goes down, you don't have a problem with it, you can stay focused and don't think about it. That's the most important part. Buy low, sell high. If you have a skin, for example, that costs $20, right? And all of a sudden it costs $50. You should definitely sell it, make this $30 profit and invest it into something else. Because sometimes we keep things for way too long in our inventory, and when the price already hit the all-time high and it goes lower, we just miss the opportunity to sell it. Sometimes you just have to sell if you already profited, guys. I would say if you double or tripled your money in CS2, then it's already a pretty decent time to sell. But there's always exceptions For example, it can also have 1000x, guys. That's obviously also the case. In the latest video, for example, I met a CS2 trader that gives his skin to CS2 pros. He was included in my CS2 drops in part 6, and he makes money selling skins for a living. Yes, that's possible, that's how it works. He rents his skins also. And there are so many different other people that are just starting out and are already making money just by selling some skins, buying some skins low. You know, listen closely. The most success of these streamers, or maybe some CS2 investors, came from being patient. They had all these skins, they were not selling it, they were patient, they were focused, they did not need the money at the time, they just kept the skins over the years. And obviously, if you have desirable skins in your inventory, everybody's gonna talk about it, you will get mentioned, you will get more seen, and that's how the people reason, you know? It's self-explaining. There's always potential that the cases or the skins might drop in its price over the night, for example. You're never guaranteed nothing. At any time you can lose all your money, half your money, does not matter, everything can happen, guys. Do not underestimate it. So always invest with a clear head. The market is volatile, but so are the gains. I would say it's still definitely worth it. I personally have never lost money in CS2 so far. Back a few videos ago, I said that you have to always diversify your portfolio. You cannot always stick to one thing. For example, in CS, if you have Glock Gamma Dopplers and you have AK Redlands and you have one Redland and 50 Glock Gamma Dopplers, it's nice, but it would be nicer to have 50 Gamma Dopplers and 50 AK Redlands, so you can split up your portfolio. Don't invest just in CS2 skins, go invest in gold, go invest in some silver, guys. That's always good. But ultimately we are here to cover CS2 investments and we are passionate about them. The future of CS2 skins holds a lot for us investors. There are great opportunities right now also to buy great skins, to invest properly in CS2. I made already a bunch of videos about it. Go watch my CS2 investment series. I've been covering a lot of hot topics. The best cases to invest in. Great skins that are going to be discontinued. What's next out of the armory, guys? We are covering everything. We are the ultimate CS2 investment channel. So make sure you guys subscribe, leave a thumbs up. That would support me a lot, and leave a comment down below. CS2 is just already like its own economic, and we have skins reaching like incredible prices like 20,000, 50,000, 100,000, 500,000. So my take on the video, guys, the best advice you can take from this video is that if you're investing in CS2, if you're going to invest long term, you are almost guaranteed 99% to profit, because it's just the way the market works. If you want to flip skins, then you should definitely go on some third-party website and try to flip some skins. You can go try it out, but the best method is to invest long term. My name is Robert, and I'll see you in the next one.